Well, I thought someone had stole our metal that we got for the roof lids. I thought, who's going to have stolen those? So I thought, no one would know what they are, so why nick them? I think, oh, you know, sort out our security camera again and all that sort of stuff. So I've had all that apart and made sure that's recording again. But have a look at this, see what really happened. Bye.
Yes.
What are you doing?
Rescuing a couple of £100 worth of metal.
Do you think they're going to keep you warm while you're in there?
No, they'll keep my feet. Well, I just don't want them to touch anything.
No, I'm on about your pants.
Oh, my pants, I don't care about that pants.
I suppose I should be a gentleman, offer you my hand.
Well, yeah, because if it's really, really deep, if it's deep,
don't pull me in though. I didn't volunteer for this. No, just jump in.
No, I'm not going to jump in.
Well, what are you going to do then? Turn around and lower yourself down. Yeah, lower yourself down. Leah, sorry, I can't hold your hand because I've got to be out because I can't video you properly. Lee, what are you doing? Whoop! You're in now. Is it cold?
Yes.
It's deeper than you thought, isn't it?
It's deeper than I thought.
Are you touching the bottom?
Yeah, I'm glad I've got my socks on.
Well, is it keeping your feet warm?
No, because then I won't touch anything.
Lee, there might be pike down there. Lee, you got it. Look, she's got it. She found some metal. Just put it against the side and I'll lift it out. But I don't want to let go of my camera. Oh no, that's actually quite heavy, isn't it? Hold on there. Bye. Oh, I can do that. Oh shit, it's full of water.
Funny that.
At least it won't rust. Do you want a hand, Lee?
I don't know how I'm going to go.
No, you're going to have to scungle out, aren't you?
Yeah, but I've got nothing to...
Oh, give me your hand.
Hold on, no, let me try and get up.
Okay. You might have to stay there all night, Lee. If we were gentlemen, we'd all... Well, I did say we'd help you out. Look, if your man comes over, we'll both grab a hand. Let go. Oh, it's going to come around. It's going to come around and hold your hand, and then you can sort of just try and come up. You ready? You have to grab her arse.
Look.
His titty's got in the way.
They're hardly going to get in the way, are they?
You might have to climb up over the back of the boat. You've got my slipper wet.
We'll swim down to the bridge. It's lower there.
I'm not swimming.
See, this is why Paul nearly drowned, isn't it? Because he couldn't get out again.
Things.
I don't know what you're going to do.
Nor do I.
If you give me a hand now.
Hold on.
Ready?
Shit.
What are you trying to grab
I
onto?
don't know, I can't grab onto anything.
Stand on that. Where the boy is, stand on that. Yeah, hang on, let's get it. I didn't think I'd be doing this. Right, so when you try and get your...
those boards, they're really dodgy. I don't want you falling in as well.
That'd be really funny as well.
What to do?
Now give us your hand and then try and stand on this bit here, yeah?
Get your foot in between the transom, that's it.
There you go. There you go.
Well done, girl.
That's alright.
Lee, a bit moist.